Now the time has come to say goodbye, but I don't want to see you start to cry. Now at last comes the end of the game. We knew we'd have to face it. Close your eyes and let me go.